Welcome to Quiz Beacon. There will be 20 questions. 5 seconds to answer. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which Indian state is known for its tandoori cooking? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Kerala, C. Punjab, D. Assam. Correct answer is C. Punjab. Question number 2. Which city is famous for its pav bhaji and vada pav? Options are A. Mumbai, B. Delhi, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Correct answer is A. Mumbai. Question number 3. Which Indian state is famous for its seafood dishes? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Kerala, C. Gujarat, D. Punjab. Correct answer is B. Kerala. Question number 4. Which city in India is famous for its biryani? Options are A. Hyderabad, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Delhi. Correct answer is A. Hyderabad. Question number 5. From which Indian state does the popular snack dhokla originate? Options are A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is D. Gujarat. Question number 6. Which Indian state is known for its spicy cuisine, especially the dish Vindaloo? Options are A. Punjab, B. Goa, C. Karnataka, D. Gujarat. Correct answer is B. Goa. Question number 7. What type of food is kulfi? Options are A. Yogurt, B. Pudding, C. Cake, D. Ice cream. Correct answer is D. Ice cream. Question number 8. What oil is largely used in the cooking of South India? Options are A. Coconut oil, B. Olive oil, C. Sunflower oil, D. Mustard oil. Correct answer is A. Coconut oil. Question number 9. Litti chokha is a famous dish in which state? Options are A. Kerala, B. Punjab, C. Bihar, D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is C. Bihar. Question number 10. What is the traditional Indian clay oven called? Options are A. Steamer, B. Grill, C. Oven, D. Tandoor. Correct answer is D. Tandoor. Question number 11. Which state gifted us the mouth-watering sweet Kheer Kadam? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Kolkata, C. Gujarat, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is B. Kolkata. Question number 12. What is the popular Indian drink made from yogurt, water, and various spices? Options are A. Chai, B. Lassi, C. Masala chai, D. Thandai. Correct answer is B. Lassi. Question number 13. Rogan Josh is the signature dish of which cuisine? Options are A. Kashmiri cuisine, B. Punjabi cuisine, C. Gujarati cuisine, D. Bengali cuisine. Correct answer is A. Kashmiri cuisine. Question number 14. Which Indian spice is made from dried and powdered green mangoes? Options are A. Asafoetida, B. Fenugreek, C. Amchur, D. Garam masala. Correct answer is C. Amchur. Question number 15. Which pulses are used to make chana masala? Options are A. Chickpeas, B. Lentils, C. Green gram, D. Black gram. Correct answer is A. Chickpeas. Question number 16. In Gujarat, which of the following combinations is eaten largely during the festival of Dussehra? Options are A. Dhokla and Khandvi, B. Undhiyu and Puri, C. Fafda and Jalebi, D. Thepla and Amras. Correct answer is C. Fafda and Jalebi. Question number 17. Gatte ki sabzi is a part of which cuisine? Options are A. Rajasthani cuisine, B. Punjabi cuisine, C. South Indian cuisine, D. Bengali cuisine. Correct answer is A. Rajasthani cuisine. Question number 18. What are the two remaining flavors in the Indian food theory besides sweet, salty, sour and bitter? Options are A. Spicy and umami, B. Spicy and savory, C. Spicy and pungent, D. Spicy and astringent. Correct answer is D. Spicy and astringent. Question number 19. Which variety of rice is often referred to as the queen of rice? Options are A. Basmati, B. Jasmine, C. Arborio, D. Sushi. Correct answer is A. Basmati. Question number 20. Which is the popular prawn preparation native to the fishing tribe in Mumbai? Options are A. Prawn biryani, B. Prawn masala, C. Kolivara prawns, D. Prawn curry. Correct answer is C. Kolivara prawns. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.